Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Sienna 2004 to 2010? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger Compartment Fuse Box. The Passenger Compartment Fuse Box in Toyota Sienna 2004 to 2010 controls key interior electrical functions such as the audio system, power windows, and lighting. It helps protect these circuits by managing current flow and preventing overloads. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The Engine Compartment Fuse Box in Toyota Sienna 2004 to 2010 controls and protects key systems such as the engine, ABS, cooling fans, and ignition components. It houses high-amperage fuses and relays designed to handle power-intensive operations. Additional fuse box. The additional fuse box in Toyota Sienna 2004 to 2010 supports secondary systems like power sliding doors, rear air conditioning, and other auxiliary functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.